Alright, so this is what you do to repair this. You obviously buy a new case for this, and then you go online and buy the GoPro, whatever it is, stock lens if you want the same one. I didn't go online, I bought this at a local retail shop near me. Is you grab some needle nose pliers and you twist it counterclockwise. You could obviously, once it's loose enough, take it off with your hand. The next step is to focus the lens. So what you're gonna do is just twist this lens clockwise now until it's focused. Still out of focus. See, it's almost there. Woo! One of the final steps is to get a replacement lens. This one is not from GoPro, it's a OEM. And the trick is to see, this one's different, it has a gold rim and it's black. You put at a 45-degree angle, you press down and you twist. And so let's test it out. And it works fine. So it looks blurry, that's because of my camera, the phone recording. Let's try to focus that. There you go. Fixed.